All right, here's something very, very different. We have this Jeep behind us. This is the 392 engine Jeep. Obviously, this thing is a monster. This is in a Lamborghini color right now. This is not a wrap. This is a full paint job. I have never driven one personally, and I just took it out for a spin. I was shocked. This thing is like a muscle car, but Jeep. Sounds insane and it moves, man. But we stripped the entire Jeep. We painted it this Verde Scandal color. We literally have a URUS here, usually sitting here the same color. It's crazy to see a Jeep in this color, and it's all PPG paint, so it's Lamborghini paint, warranty, everything through RDB, no problem. As you can see, even under the engine bay is painted green. Let's go ahead and close that. And as you can see, we got the matte black Rubicon sticker on there. All the door hinges painted. We opted to leave some black plastic throughout. We didn't want to just go completely green, obviously. We opened the doors. Obviously, all the door jambs, all that stuff has been painted as well. So literally better paint job than Jeep does. And it looks incredible, honestly. We put some bigger, beefier tires on it as well, just to get that look. But really, the 392 Jeep doesn't need anything else. So really cool to see. Let us know your thoughts on how much this costs. Again, this is PPG Lamborghini paint, and paint prices every year go up, so it costs a hefty penny, but I think it looks great, and it's one of one.
What the f I'm doing? You want to see the watch?
Hey! Another Brabus kit?
Brabus kit.
Brabus kit.
All right, guys, so behind me we have another 2025 G63 Mercedes-Benz, and this one is going to be getting the full Brabus treatment as well. The whole entire body kit has been shipped over, but we are right now starting to do the tear down. We're gonna take all the flares out, the bumpers, all that stuff. This one, as you can see, is a magnet black metallic color. It's not matte black, it's a shiny one. So it's gonna look really, really nice, different than the one we just did. But this is gonna be literally the second Brabus WideStar in the United States, and we're already getting to work. So pretty cool to see. We have a third possibly in the works. This is right now definitely the hottest car of the month, even maybe the last quarter, honestly. I think this is gonna be big going into next year as well. But yeah, pretty cool to see. And it's up on a lift right now, so you guys can see the view a little bit better. This is the new front bumper. We got the bar that kind of looks the same, but we got a camera in the bar. So this has to go into the bumper when you do the Brabus kit. No more camera here, so the grill's different. But and they drive really, really well. So hopefully we get some more in. We love the Brabus kits, and we're shipping them over every week at this point just to have them. So yeah, stay tuned for another Brabus WideStar.
Welcome to RDVLA, where all your customization needs are done. Right under this roof, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, you guys, we have this beautiful Ferrari here. Javier is right behind you guys. Javier is cutting off the HRA wheels. Wheels are balanced, mounted, good to go. Everything's good. He's putting the bolts on now. This car also is getting these bad boys here. This is next. We're gonna do this next here. Avik, you put anything in or not yet? All right, so yeah, so he's doing that. No tiene infancia, güey.
What are you posting? Oh, look at this. Look. He wasn't here.
What is that? You're just throwing
the fender the other side, look. Look. I just do it. Look. Lo vamos a subir aquí. Lo vamos a hacer grande.
for all your fans.
What's up? Like that? What's up? Duro, homeboy. Duro, vato.
You guys, we have this beautiful Rolls-Royce here. This car is slammed on 26-inch wheels. Problem is with 26-inch wheels, you got to be careful on the road. There's a lot of potholes in LA. One little hit, this is what happens. Big bubble on the side, about to blow up. We have a brand new tire here. Daniel's taking care of it really quick. Quick new tire replacement, and out of here. Enjoy your Friday. Thanks for the tip. Oh, it's nice. I have a Range Rover here. Car's towed in. This is not the main issue. The main issue is this car's getting hot, getting overheated. So let's see what's going on. Might be a water pump problem, leaking problem, radiator, who knows. It's here. It's time to do a diagnosis on this car. He's dying.
What?
He's hungry.
You worked too much today.
How is it, Hank? You like it?
It's free.
It's free.
We got free tequila and free Cristianettis today. That's perfect for Moses. He loves drinking and eating. That's my buddy's company called Cascanas. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we got 6 lovely bottles, and we're gonna be doing their custom Sprinter van for their company. So that's in the works. We didn't just get their tequila gifted to us for friendship. We are actually doing their company van that they're gonna ride around and do pop-up events. So stay tuned for that. That's gonna be a cool project. It's gonna take a few months because it's fully an interior custom job. So pretty cool. So yeah, and we're also gonna make a Cristianetti's car. It's gonna be like a burger and fries.
What are you guys doing?
It's a way to crack your back. No, I heard, yeah.
Yeah, it clipped a little bit.
Let them do it to you.
No, you have to know really how to do it. If you do it and you don't know how to do it, you'll hurt somebody. That they show you how to do that in the clinic.
You worked at a
Crack your
clinic?
back. You want me to do it? No. I just did it. It worked out good.
He said, I don't want you to touch
It's hard
him.
to do that.
He fixed my back. He fixed my back.
Let me show you.
I don't want you to touch me from behind. Only for the front.